day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir and ma'am. I am Leonida Bacuan del Rosario, 39 years old. I am single and currently living in Dolores Quirino, Isabela. I am midwife by profession.
Okay, do you have experience abroad?
Yes, sir. I have 2 years experience as domestic helper in Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates, to a couple with 2 children, ages 3 years old and 7 years old male.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
When the children is sick, I always ensure their safety and I will check their vital signs, especially their temperature. And if the baby is sick, I will inform my employer, sir.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am trustworthy, honest, hardworking, patient, and kind.
Do you have any tattoo?
None, sir.
Do you have a surgery or serious sickness before?
None, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain foods?
None, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad to help my family and to have financial stability in the future.
Okay. If you get hired, who will take over of your family responsibilities at home?
My other siblings, sir.
Okay. If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus on my work and remind myself why I work abroad and to help my family.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep around 10 p.m. when my work is done and wake up early in the morning around 5 a.m. sir.
Okay. Are you the one who does the cooking and do market at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will always calmer and kind to the children.
Okay. Do you accept no off days but to be paid instead by employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
Yes, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir. I will finish my contract and extend if necessary.
Okay. Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I am willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. Baba, black sheep, have any wool? Yes, sir, 3 black wolves. One for the master and one for the little boy who lives down the lane.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, sir, ma'am, I hope you choose me as your helper and I will promise I will take care of your family and you will do the household chores properly. Thank you.